How to fix Warhammer 40,000 Space Marine 2 is crashing on your PC or cutscenes or cinematic screen on your PC. If you're facing this error, firstly check your network connection if you're connected with a strong Wi-Fi network connection or not. If not, then please change the current Wi-Fi network status and connect it with a better Wi-Fi. Now, after checking your internet connection, you will need to click on the airplane mode of your PC to just refresh the background or application running apps on it, and it will also give relief to the RAM running on your PC. Second thing we have to check is our network connection speed. The download is about 190 and upload speed is about 215 MB per second. So that is a quite nice speed. And after doing these two things, you will be able to see that you're not facing any type of error like this. Please make sure these type of error only occurs when you're failing to connect to the better network. Thank you so much for watching.